What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel. First off, I would like to ask that you please like, subscribe, comment, and share my page. Is greatly appreciated. I have here today for you a creamy chicken fettuccine recipe that I would like to share. Here I'm going to grate some Parmesan cheese. The best way to make homemade chicken Alfredo is to grate your own Parmesan cheese. So as you can see here, I'm grating my own block. Okay, now that I have my cheese grated, I have two 6 to 8 ounce chicken breasts here that I'm gonna clean up, clean the fat off of them, wash them up, then pat them dry with a napkin. As you can see, I stopped and cleaned my area with bleach. And I'm also using a different cutting board to cut my meat, just to be sanitized. You know, we don't want any cross-contamination. Okay, now that I got everything cleaned back up, got a clean, safe workstation, I'm going to begin to season my chicken breast. I have some low sodium, all-purpose garlic, onion, black pepper, and sea salt seasoning. It's not real salty, so I'm going a little heavy with it. First, I'm going to spray the chicken breast with some olive oil to work as a binder so the seasoning will adhere to the chicken breast, and then I'll begin to season these. I also added some black pepper to give it a little more kick. And then I added some Tony's Creole seasoning, just a little bit, since I am using a low sodium all-purpose seasoning. Now, I'm not giving the correct precise measurements of the seasonings and everything that I'm using, but everything will be down below in the description box, so you will have all the measurements that you need and you will have no confusion at all. Just look in the description box, I got it there. Here I have two fresh cloves of garlic. I'm gonna smash it to open them up, and then I will slice and dice them up very fine because I'm gonna use this in my sauce and I don't want any big chunks. Here I have some fresh parsley that I'm gonna chop up kind of fine, but not too fine. This parsley smelled real good as I was chopping it. It gives the fettuccine a great taste. Okay, here I have my cast iron skillet. I have some avocado oil in it. I let the skillet get hot on a medium high. I don't want to cook these chicken breasts all the way through. I just want to sear them. Then I'm going to put them in the oven on 350 for 10 minutes until they reach internal temperature of 165 degrees. I'm going to finish them off in the oven. I'm just going to sear them and get them nice and brown. Here, I'm going to add some butter, and then I'll toss and coat them with the butter before they go in the oven. Now my chicken breasts are seared on both sides. I'll put it in the oven and I will cook on 350 to 400 for about 10 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 165. Now I have a saucepan. I have a stick of butter. I'm going to start making my Alfredo sauce. I want to melt this butter. Also, I'm going to add my minced garlic. Be careful not to burn your garlic. I have it on a medium heat, and I'm going to stir this till it melts and start adding thick, heavy whipping cream to this, and start adding my Parmesan cheese that I grated earlier. I'll let this simmer low, and then turn it down a little bit. Start adding my cheese. As you can see, I'm starting to add my heavy whipping cream, and I'm starting to slowly stir. Now I'll start adding my freshly grated Parmesan cheese slowly into the Alfredo mix, stirring the whole time. Make sure that the cheese melts and keep stirring until it thickens up. Here, I thought I would add some grated Parmesan cheese to the Alfredo just to give it a little bit more thickness. You don't have to do this if you don't want, but I thought I would try it. Okay, y'all, here I added some more of my all-purpose garlic, pepper, sea salt seasoning to give my sauce a little more bling. And I stirred that in and just kept stirring until it thickened up. Now, as you can see, my sauce has really thickened up. This is the consistency that you want. I stirred the cheese in, and it's nice and thick, and I like it. You will too. Okay, y'all, my chicken breasts are out of the oven. The internal temperature is 165. I checked with my meat thermometer, and it's all good. Let's cut these breasts up and plate this up and eat. Okay, now we're ready to plate this up. Remember your fettuccine noodles, read the instructions on the box, boil water, add salt, get the texture that you want. I mix my fettuccine noodles in my sauce, stirred it up. I'll begin to plate this up. I added some Parmesan cheese, some grated Parmesan cheese, and also I added some fresh parsley. Thank you guys. Like, subscribe, share the channel to at least 2 people. Put me up in the algorithms, and so I can keep these videos coming for you. I really appreciate you guys. Until next time, enjoy.